สวัสดีค่ะ Hello guys, I'm both the Thais here again. Today I have a lot work to do. My palm fruit, they fall down from palm tree many. So I come to pick them. So I have work to do. I will show you how to make a palm pop. Then I will keep in the. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Choose the palm fruit that very ripe. They fall down from the tree, then you have to set them at least 2 days before you come to do it. Take to peel the shell out or the black color. You have to take the black color fiber out from the palm seed. You have to clean all the black fiber out. Take the palm fruit to wash with the water. Then we add water in the pot. We take all the palm seeds. Then we take squeeze, scrub, rub the palm seed for the meat to move out from the seeds. Take the palm liquid to separate the palm fiber out by using colander. Take a white sheet closet to make like a bed or a boat. Why we have to hang the palm fruit juice to be overnight? Because we want to separate the palm juice to get only palm meat, and it will help the palm pulp not to be bitter when you take them to make palm cake. Good morning. I come to check my palm pulp that I hang one night already. Come to look. Wow. So I got the palm pulp already that I hang in the sheet cloth for one night. You see, now it's only pulp, no have any water left. So it's done already. I pack palm pulp, but I forget to tell you why I have to store it or preserve my palm pulp in the freezer, because then we can take the palm pulp to make the toddy palm cake. I have the video 2 episode how to make the palm cake. You can check on the link above. I will give here. So I have to thank you so much that you keep watching what I'm doing and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel because I will appreciate it so much. I will have energy to grow my YouTube channel and leave a comment or share or like and I have to go continue working to take them to keep in the freezer so have to say goodbye สวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบาย